I got fire under my feet, and I feel it in my heartbeat. Oh, you can't put out these flames, you can't keep me down in my seat. I got fire under my feet, and I feel it in my heartbeat. Oh, girl, get out of the place if you can't take the heat. I tripped and I stumbled, watch my world crumble. Sometimes you eat dirt, you live and you learn. Thrown in with the lions, the tigers and titans, afraid to get hurt, but now I'm begging them put. I got fire under my feet, and I feel it in my heartbeat. Oh, you can't put out these flames, you can't keep me down in my seat. I got fire under my feet, and I feel it in my heartbeat. Oh, girl, get out of the place if you can't take the heat. Fire, fire. Was drowning in quicksand, nobody grabbed my hand. Thought it buried me, instead I'm set free. Moving on to bigger things, I begin to spread my wings. No longer in chains, I'm dancing over these flames. I got fire under my feet, and I feel it in my heartbeat. Oh, you can't put out these flames, you can't keep me down in my seat. I got fire under my feet, and I feel it in my heartbeat. Oh, girl, get out of the place if you can't take the heat. Fire, I got fire. This may not be perfect, but I'm happy and I'm burning. Every tear shed will be worth it. Step by step, ain't looking back, got no regrets, 'cause I got fire under my feet, and I feel it in my heartbeat.
About a year ago, I was at a point in my business where I was ready to give up after 20 years. And I was literally, and I'm going to get teary, but I was literally seconds away from calling someone that I knew I could get a job with, managing another company. And because it was 20 years in, it was my baby, I thought I have to do something. So I investigated Debbie, I didn't take the leap, and this past February I took the leap and joined her program. She has regained me, given me faith, and I have already doubled my revenue since February. And I know that by the end of next year I'm going to be totally free.
Can't put out these flames.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
CBF has helped my business really from Debbie having a personality that she has. I always thought I was a dreamer, but she allowed me to dream even bigger than I ever thought. And not only did she allow me to dream, but she gave me a path to that dream. And for that, I will be forever in her debt. Thank you so much, Debbie.
Give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go. Bring me down.
CBF has helped me probably more than my business, and it's probably spills over into my business, but it's helped me be a better boss. I'm better for my girls that work for me. They want to come to work, they want to do a good job, but it's also gotten me out of the field, and that's probably the biggest benefit that I've walked away from CBF at this point is I'm no longer working. I'm able to run my business and work my business and grow my business.
I joined CBS of August last year, 2018, and since then, between the last retreat was in August of 2018 and today, I've grown my business over 200% in revenues. So it's been great. I implemented and made a lot of changes within the last 6 months. I still have a few to go, obviously, but it's been great. It's worked well for a Canadian.
I just do everything that you say. And we just reached $1 million in August.
Oh my word, that's news to me.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I could not have done it without you.
The love is too high, it bring me down. Can't nothing bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Hey. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Come on.
Make more money, Molly.
All right. My question is,
Yes.
Is it time for a daiquiri?
Yes! Oh man, oh man, oh man. You know, these are my peeps. These are my peeps. Oh my gosh.